Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus K3605Z. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus K3605Z won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can stem from several factors, such as a faulty power supply, a drained battery, or internal hardware problems. If left unresolved, it could lead to more severe damage and data loss. So, let's get started on fixing it. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. First, ensure that your device is completely powered off and unplugged. To open your Asus K3605Z safely, begin by using your plastic opening tool to gently pry apart the edges of the device. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery. In many cases, the battery might be the root cause of the issue. Disconnect the battery carefully by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. If you notice any signs of swelling or damage, it's time to replace it. When removing the battery, take care to avoid touching any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, check the power connector on the motherboard. Sometimes, it can become loose or even damaged. If necessary, gently reseat the connector. If it appears damaged, you may need to replace the entire power connector. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove any screws securing it, and gently lift it from the motherboard. When replacing components, ensure that you apply the right amount of force to avoid damaging the delicate parts surrounding it. Once everything is securely in place, it's time to reassemble your device. Start by carefully reattaching the back cover, making sure all clips are aligned and secure. Finally, power on your Asus K3605Z to check if it's functioning correctly. If it powers up, congratulations on your successful repair. To avoid encountering this issue again, regularly check your battery health and avoid overcharging. Also, keeping your device clean and dust-free can help prevent future problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.